At what age should I preserve my fertility? The most advisable age in which to preserve your fertility is under the age of 35. As a woman gets older, the quality and quantity of her eggs decreases, and this is especially true after the ages of 38. From that age onwards, the decline is quite rapid. Eggs from older women can also tend to have more genetic or chromosomal abnormalities, which makes them less likely to be successful in future IVF treatments. The earlier, the better if you are thinking about preservation of your eggs.